In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio in Elevenlabs. We'll be walking through this process step by step to make sure you feel confident by the end. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate over to your dashboard. Once there, look for the option labeled Text-to-Speech. Clicking here will set the stage for everything that follows, so ensure you've selected it correctly. This part is crucial because it's the starting point for generating your audio. Now, once you're on the text-to-speech page, it's time to get creative. This is where you'll type in the text you want to be transformed into audio. If you have a particular passage or script in mind, go ahead and enter it into the provided field. Once you've entered your text and you're satisfied with it, look for the Generate button. Click it. This action prompts Elevenlabs to work its magic, converting your written text into spoken words. After you've clicked Generate, your text is turned into audio. Now, you'll want to preview it to make sure it's exactly as you envisioned. If you're satisfied with the result, the next step is straightforward. They've made it easy to proceed. Look for the download icon on the screen. It's usually quite noticeable, symbolizing convenience as well as access to your audio creation. When you click this download icon, your audio file will begin downloading to your device. Voila! You now have your audio ready to use however you see fit. If you're wondering about formats, the download should be in a standard audio format like MP3, which is compatible with most devices and software. This makes it super easy to share, upload, or even edit further if needed. For those new to this platform, keep in mind that all your generated files are stored within your account, so you can come back and access them anytime. This is particularly useful if you're working on multiple projects or need a backup. If you run into any issues during this process, don't worry. It's not uncommon to have questions or to need a bit of troubleshooting. Elevenlabs offers support if you get stuck or if something doesn't sound quite right, so you can always reach out to them for further assistance. That wraps up our quick guide on downloading audio in Elevenlabs. By following these steps, you should be able to smoothly produce and download your audio files. Keep practicing, and soon, this process will be second nature to you. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your future audio creations.